Hold on to your seats, because we're about to explore an extraordinary hypothetical scenario. What if the Earth stopped spinning? Now, while the idea of our planet coming to a grinding halt may seem far-fetched, it's a captivating notion to ponder. So, let's embark on this journey and delve into the consequences that might unfold if Earth's rotation suddenly ceased. You might be thinking, could the Earth ever stop spinning? Well, it's a possibility, but not anytime soon. In the grand cosmic theater, many dramatic events are likely to occur before our planet takes an unplanned break, like the sun one day expanding to swallow it whole. But let's indulge in a moment of imagination and assume that Earth did, in fact, halt its rotation. To understand the implications, we must first grasp the tremendous speed at which our planet currently spins. At the equator, the Earth's surface hurtles along at about 1,000 miles per hour, thanks to its daily dance around the sun. However, as you move closer to the poles, this rotational speed gradually decreases. This spin, this constant motion, is essential for life as we know it. It's a dance that's been ongoing for billions of years, but it wasn't always this way. Eons ago, when our solar system was young, a colossal celestial body collided with the Earth. This cosmic crash changed everything. It altered our planet's alignment and rotation, and gave birth to our trusty companion, the Moon. Since that fateful collision, Earth's rotation has been gradually slowing down. The same fate awaited the Moon, which used to spin independently, but eventually became tidally locked with our planet. Now, let's return to our hypothetical scenario. The Earth suddenly stops spinning. Picture the chaos that ensues. Everything on the surface, including buildings, oceans, and even the atmosphere, is moving at over 1,000 miles per hour. Yet, you're not launched into space because escaping Earth's gravity requires a much higher speed. Instead, you experience a massive sideways jolt, a force of nearly 3/4 of Earth's gravity. Buildings are ripped from their foundations and sent hurtling across the landscape, creating a deadly debris field. The oceans aren't spared either. They surge sideways, generating colossal tsunamis, towering walls of water moving at the same breakneck speed. But the mayhem doesn't end there. The atmosphere, still spinning at the Earth's original velocity, generates ferocious winds and storms. Earth's shape, once oblate due to centrifugal forces, transforms into a perfect sphere. The water, previously bulging at the equator, rushes toward the poles, resulting in a global tsunami on both sides of the planet. Beneath the surface, the inner core continues to spin, causing seismic turmoil. Volcanic eruptions erupt worldwide, turning the planet into a cauldron of molten rock. Now imagine this. One half of the Earth is eternally bathed in sunlight, while the other is in perpetual darkness. The twilight strip between these extremes might be the last refuge for life as we know it. The scorching side experiences extreme heat, creating a runaway greenhouse effect, similar to what happened to Venus. On the dark side, the atmosphere condenses into a dense gas, creating violent storms as hot and cold air collide. As the Earth stops spinning, the magnetic field weakens, leaving the planet vulnerable to cosmic radiation. In the end, surviving on a planet that's come to a sudden stop and is tidally locked to the sun would be an immense challenge. Humanity's adaptability and technology might help us, but it would be a daunting task. Fortunately, the chances of this happening anytime soon are slim. Physicists estimate it could take billions of years for such an event to occur at the current rate of slowdown. So, what would you do in this apocalyptic scenario? How would you face the colossal challenges that lie ahead? Share your thoughts in the comments below.